Indonesia is a country of 17,000 islands.
Yeah.
So for people thinking about moving overseas, I want to move to Bali. Bali's great. Malang is great. Jogja is great.
Pernah nggak kalian dengar bule yang mengira Indonesia itu masih kuno atau isinya cuma hutan dan sawah? Nah, baru-baru ini ada video viral yang memperlihatkan reaksi para bule yang mengaku salah besar tentang Indonesia. Mereka bahkan bilang kalau Indonesia itu sebenarnya sedang hidup di tahun 3000. Kok bisa? Banyak orang luar negeri awalnya cuma tahu Indonesia lewat Instagram, terutama Bali. Tapi begitu mereka sampai di Jakarta, mereka shock banget. Salah satu bule di video itu bilang kalau mal-mal di Jakarta jauh lebih megah sampai bikin mall di Australia terlihat ketinggalan zaman. Dia sampai bingung kenapa dulu dia mengira Amerika adalah negara paling modern. Padahal pemandangan kota di sini sudah sangat futuristik. Selain soal bangunan, hal yang paling bikin mereka jatuh cinta adalah orang-orangnya. Ada pengakuan kalau orang Indonesia adalah orang paling ramah di bumi. Bahkan jika dibandingkan dengan London atau Taiwan, keramahan kita dianggap jauh di atas mereka. Dan buat kalian yang mengira Indonesia itu cuma Bali, kalian harus tahu kalau kita punya lebih dari 17.000 pulau. Di video ini, mereka juga mengeksplorasi tempat lain seperti Malang, Jogja, Kepulauan Gili. Hingga desa adat Ratenggaro di Sumba yang suasananya seperti di negeri dongeng.
Indonesia is a country of 17,000 islands.
Yeah.
So for people thinking about moving overseas, I want to move to Bali. Bali's great. Malang is great. Jogja is great. Right. Some of the other cities in this nation, right, the Gili Islands are great too. Right. So if you are cost conscious or you want to be a pioneer, I would look at other places in Indonesia, not only this island. All right. So 20s to even 40, you should be moving.
Yeah.
All right. Move around, find a place. But when you think about settling down, I think Bali's a great option. I think Bali is going to continue being this incredibly culturally rich place, right? The culture is going to stay. They love their religion like you love your family. People are committed to their religion. So I see Bali always, there's only one Bali, but there's a big world. There's a really big world, so people should see that world as well.
Ada satu fakta unik yang bikin mereka kagum saat mengunjungi Masjid Istiqlal. Ternyata, Masjid Nasional kita dibangun oleh arsitek seorang Kristen dari Sumatera Utara.
Whilst we've been walking around the city, we have just stumbled across the National Mosque.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool, and it's nice because it's turning dark now, so everything is lighting up. You got the fountains in front, which the girls are having a look at, and it's a little bit more peaceful, taking a step away from the main road there. But wow, it's pretty big and mighty. I'm pretty impressed.
Just some interesting information as well, that this mosque was built by a Christian architect from North Sumatra. It took 17 years to build, which is very interesting.
Wow.
It is super nice.
It's getting darker. We have had a glimpse at the cathedral, haven't we, girls? We're close to it, but we've just turned up at this statue here. We are unsure, but there's so many landmarks we've just stumbled upon. There is the National Mosque there that you can hear behind us. This statue, I have no idea what it is. You can also see the flame over there at Merdeka Square.
It looks good.
It does look good. And also I know the cathedral is just there, so we're in like a pinpoint. Right now, I have no idea what this statue represents. And I'm so glad that we've come and experienced this today, even though it may be a little bit late, but whilst we're in Jakarta, we've breathed some of it in. I found the cathedral, but yet again, we're going to experience it from the other side of the gate. But it's there behind me and it looks amazing. Scrap that. I think we've just found a way in. Wow. It looks so cool. We're going in. It's beautiful. Wow.
Ini jadi bukti nyata betapa kuatnya toleransi di sini. Menariknya lagi, ada perspektif dari seorang bule Kanada yang bilang kalau orang Indonesia itu lebih bijak dibanding orang Barat.
Are Indonesians really friendly?
Very friendly.
Very friendly. I'm from London and it's a lot friendlier here than I'm used to in London.
I've been traveling quite a lot around Indonesia. I think Indonesia is one of the most friendly countries here.
Oh, super. I would say Taiwan is one of the most friendly places, but nowhere compared to Indonesia.
Of course, so friendly, so open to talk and have a chat. Always have a good vibe.
Yes, Indonesia is very friendly.
Friendly.
Indonesians are the friendliest people on earth.
I think this is the most friendliest nation ever. I have been so happy since I've arrived. All Indonesians are my friends.
Can you tell me what's your name and where you are from?
Hi, I'm Camila.
I'm Steffi.
And we are Ecuador.
We're from Ecuador.
Yes.
Do you know about Indonesia?
No, unfortunately, no.
I heard about that, specifically Bali. I heard that there's an amazing ocean, amazing place to
And
visit
beaches.
there.
How did you get information about Bali?
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yes.
And television, TV shows, something like that.
Would you like to go someday?
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, obviously.
And I heard it's cheap there. Is that right?
Yeah, it's
Yes,
very
yeah,
cheap.
everything is cheap. Maybe slightly cheaper than Ecuador.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, it sounds good.
And how is food there?
How what? Sorry?
How is food there?
Food is very good. You have to try.
Oh,
You have to try, and spicy if you like it.
spicy. But we really like to go there.
Okay.
Maybe someday.
Someday.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't really understand why Asians fully shit on Australian shopping malls because I'm in Indonesia right now and look at this. Yo, this is crazy. And I've been like walking for hours and I haven't even made it to the other side, let alone some of the other levels. Like, Jakarta is insane.
Can someone please tell me, why did I think that the US was the most modern country in the world? But bro, someone just sent me a video of what Indonesia looks like right now. Bro, Indonesia is literally living in the year 3000. Let me just show you guys. But bro, if you thought that was crazy, let me show you what their malls look like. Check this out. There is no freaking way Indonesia looks like that, bro. What other places don't I know about?
Jadi, nggak heran kalau sekarang banyak bule yang menyarankan teman-temannya untuk jadi pionir dan menjelajahi kota-kota lain di Indonesia, bukan cuma Bali. Ternyata, negara kita ini jauh lebih maju dan kompleks dari apa yang dunia bayangkan. Kalau menurut kalian, bagian mana dari Indonesia yang paling bikin bule bakal terheran-heran? Tulis di kolom komentar ya. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe.